In this video, I will be showing you how to create testimonial graphics in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by typing testimonial into the search bar on the Canva homepage. I'm looking for a client testimonial, so I'll select that from the suggestions. I'm going to scroll through the results to find a template that fits the style I want. This green modern template looks great, so I'll select it and click Customize this template. Once the editor opens, I'll start by duplicating the page to create a second version. On the second page, I'll double-click the top text and change Customer to Client. Now I'll click on the profile photo and delete it. I'll do the same for the quotation marks and the stars to clear some space. I want to add a new star rating, so I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for Star Rating. I'll filter for graphics and choose this 5-star icon. I'll click to add it, then resize it and position it right under the testimonials header. I'll adjust the main text box and the quote marks to make everything fit perfectly. Next, I'll go back to Elements and search for a photo frame circle. I'll pick this one and drag it onto my canvas. I'll resize it and place it at the top left to create a new look for the headshot. I'll also add another frame to the bottom right for balance. Finally, I'll move the star rating to the center and adjust the text boxes one last time to ensure the layout is clean and professional. Now, my testimonial graphic is ready to go.